In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Etsy shop name. Changing your shop name can feel like a big decision, whether you're rebranding, refining your niche, or you just came up with something that fits your products better. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside your Etsy account so you know where everything is and what to expect as you go. First, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account on a computer or in a browser, then head to your Shop Manager dashboard. This is the main control center for your Etsy shop where you manage listings, orders, and settings. If you're not already there, you can usually find it by clicking on the Shop Manager button at the top of the Etsy homepage once you're logged in. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look for the menu on the left-hand side. In that menu, find the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where Etsy keeps most of the controls that affect how your shop looks and behaves. So it's the place you'll come back to whenever you want to adjust things behind the scenes. After you've opened settings, you'll see several subsections. Click on the one called Info and Appearance. This area controls your shop's public-facing details, like your logo, banner, and description, and it's also where your current shop name lives. At the very top of the Info and Appearance page, you should see your current shop name displayed. Next to it, there will be a link or button that says Change. Go ahead and click on that. This tells Etsy you want to update the name that customers see when they visit your shop. Now you'll see a field where you can type your new shop name. Click into that field and carefully enter the name you want to use. Take a moment to double check spelling, capitalization, and how it looks overall. Remember that Etsy has some rules. The name needs to be available, follow their guidelines, and it usually can't contain spaces or certain special characters. If the name isn't available, Etsy will prompt you to try something else. Once you're happy with the new name you've typed in, scroll down if needed and click the Save button. Etsy will process the change, and if everything looks good and the name is allowed, your shop name will be updated. Your new name will now appear to shoppers across the site and on your shop homepage.